So with the biological psychology, so basically physiological psychologists and researchers are interested in how our biology affects our psychology. For example, they look at the role that genetics, brain function, hormones, and neurotransmitters have in our behavior. Many physiological psychologists and researchers believe that our behavior can be explained through biological mechanisms more so than psychological mechanisms. However, others believe that there may be an interaction between the two areas of interest include origins of mental disorders, treatments of mental disorders, sleep, circadian rhythms, and localization of the brain functions. So the AS and A-level studies that are listed in Cambridge International Examination syllabus under these sections are the Kelly et al., Demand and Climate, Sutter and Singer. Kelly et al. With the brain scan, emotions, demand and climate, sleep and dreams, and the two-factor theories of emotions established by the Sutter and Singer. So with this biological approach, two main assumptions, the main research methods used in this approach are laboratory experiment, brain scanning techniques. Two main assumptions that you are expected to know are one, behavior, cognitions, and emotions can be explained in terms of working of the brain and the effect of hormones. Two, similarities and differences between people can be understood in terms of the biological factors and their interaction with other factors.